Hey content creators! Welcome back to our channel. Looking to capture the hustle and bustle of the streets? Here are the top 5 cameras for street photography in 2024. If you love photography, you won't want to miss this. Number 5 is the Sony RX100 Mark VII. This Sony camera is a premium compact camera known for its versatile features packed into a small, travel-friendly body. It boasts a 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, delivering excellent image quality with 20.1 megapixels and 4K video recording capabilities. The camera's standout feature is its 24 to 200 mm equivalent zoom lens, offering a wide range for both wide-angle and telephoto shots. Additionally, the RX100 features impressive autofocus performance, with real-time tracking and IAF, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. Its compact size and powerful capabilities make it a popular choice for both professional photographers and enthusiasts looking for a high-quality, portable option. At number 4 is Fujifilm X-S20. This camera is a mirrorless camera that blends advanced features with ease of use, making it a versatile choice for both enthusiasts and professionals. Equipped with a 26.1 megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality with rich color reproduction and fine detail. The X-S20 stands out with its in-body image stabilization, IBIS, which ensures sharp photos and smooth video, even in low-light conditions or with handheld shooting. It supports 6.2K video recording and offers a range of film simulation modes, allowing users to emulate the look of classic film stocks. The camera's compact and lightweight design, along with its intuitive controls and long battery life, make it a great option for on-the-go photography and vlogging. Coming in at number 3 is Leica Q3. The Leica Q3 is a premium full-frame compact camera that continues the tradition of Leica's impeccable design and exceptional image quality. Featuring a 60.3 megapixel full-frame sensor, the Q3 offers stunningly detailed images and excels in both low-light conditions and dynamic range. Its fixed 28mm f1.7 Summilux lens provides sharp, vibrant images with beautiful bokeh, making it ideal for street photography, portraits, and landscapes. The Q3 also supports 8K video recording, adding to its versatility as a high-end creative tool. With its classic Leica aesthetics, intuitive controls, and robust build quality, the Q3 is a favorite among photographers who value craftsmanship and performance in a compact, stylish package. Number 2 is the Ricoh GR Mark III. The Ricoh GR3 is a highly regarded compact camera known for its minimalist design and outstanding image quality, making it a favorite among street photographers and travel enthusiasts. It features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, which delivers sharp, detailed images with excellent low-light performance. The camera's fixed 28mm f2.8 lens is perfect for wide-angle shots, offering a versatile field of view that's ideal for everyday photography. Despite its small size, the GR3 includes advanced features like in-body image stabilization, IBIS, a high-resolution touchscreen, and a fast autofocus system. Its discreet and lightweight design, combined with its powerful imaging capabilities, makes the Ricoh GR3 a go-to camera for photographers who want to capture moments spontaneously without sacrificing quality. And at number 1 is the Fujifilm X100 Mark VI. It is indeed a most excellent camera, the quintessential representation of Fujifilm's design DNA in a form crystallized over 6 generations of Kaizen, and currently one of the few cameras delivering a heavy dose of FOMO in the market. The almost perfected form easily fits either the profile of an everyday hobbyist carry but also a very serious camera capable of offering a lot of performance for its size with its 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor and X-Processor 5 combination. The Fujifilm is the accumulation of experience and learning by Fujifilm over the 6X100 series cameras, with Fujifilm working well to balance keeping to a winning design formula and maintaining a reasonable level of performance. Which camera will you take to the streets in 2024? Drop your favorite in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more photography tips.